Manipur State Archives na sinduna Nifu Suba Archives Week Celebration Art and Culture के Minister L. Kumana Gandhi Memorial Hall da haudokhre. Amasung India da lariba Medical Institute singi marakta RIMS makok thongba institute ama oina bagidamakta research kaya tawbagi tangai padaba lai haina RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santa Singh na phongdokhre. Mayam bukhrum jari adom niyang bidi bas Impact News ni ay pinky okram na huzik pungja se faw bagi maruiba pausing miyam da pizari. Nifu Suba Archives Week Celebration ngasi hauna bi matung ina Art and Culture ke Minister L. Kumana Gandhi Memorial Hall da haudokhre. Manipur Langa ki Art and Culture Department ki Manipur State Archives na sinduna pangthok ki bathauramadu Art and Culture ki Commissioner M. Joy, Art and Culture ki Director N.G. Uttam amadi Manipur ki tongan ba CSO Singh Luchingba Singh na sarukyaki. Thauramadu ka mari lenana Minister Kumana phongdokhibada leibak amabu haurakliba mirolda masak takpa archives amadi museum asi asukki matik mathautai. Manipur ki oinasu archives na Manipur ki history bu ngak senduna thambada achauba mateng oiri adubu asuk maru oikraba mafam asi state asigi sel thum gi fibam phatte haiduna chahi gi budget asi yamna pik na pirakpa maram oiraga tawning ba thabak kaya pangthokpa ngamdana lairi haiki
proposed budgetary provisions in totally it was last time. The matter with the Canada Waro, the Chief Minister Waro, the state acute financial constraint, but art and culture is something. I say, you can apply a low way and keep on in Hibis. Mayam, question lady, art and culture now to the department. Manipur le yoni putu mona art and culture se much importance much significance me apna awning personally message the awning
India da lariba Medical Institute singi marakta RIMS makok thongba institute ama oina bagidamakta research kaya tawba tangai fadaba lai haina RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santa Singh na phongdokhre. Wafam asing RIMS ki Medical Society ki tara suba conference Mesocon 2020 ki thauramda Director Santa na thamkibani. RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba conference adu Cancer Challenges and Ahead haiba theme asida yumfam oiduna pangthokibani. Conference atu ka mari leinana presentation pibada makok mathang taraba institute asigi PG mahairoi singda mana piduna pukning thawatki. Ngasigi thoramadu Medical Society gi journal amadi Mesocon 2020 gi souvenir amasu phongki.
For ranking all India, I think research is a very important component of the Medical Institute. So all India Institute and then next the PGI is the highest and next must be followed by GMR. So remaining other institutes are very far lacking, but in the Northeast we have RIMS happen to be the one of them best now, and our ranking is on top in the Northeast as well as Eastern zone now. So, but then we have to go very far ahead now, and we have to compete with them. So ranking is very important, particularly in number of the publication and the research work what we are doing. So I hope that Medical Society as well as our Medical Education Unit to organize the more of research methodology for the young faculty as well as for junior resident and senior resident.
Planning Department sponsor tauduna thani chupna chatharakpa Idea Stage Startup ki ahanba amadi anisuba batch ki training asi mapung fana loisinkre. Lamfel Pataraiba Institute of Cooperative Management ki conference hall da pangthoki ba thauramadu ka mari leinana Planning Department ki Director Dr. T.S. Mohindro na haikibada Lamdam asiki lairik laishu ningthina tamduraba matung masagi oiba haithoi singthoiba naha kaya lairiba sing asida masana masabu thabak pija hanbaga loinana atopa mioi singda thabak piba ngamnana ba haiduna haujik lairiba laingak asina paikhatpa startup scheme paikhatpa haukhre scheme asigi manung channa idea stage ki damakta khangatlaba mioi singda planning department na makhal makha kaya gi training piri training asigi matengna lamdam asigi naha singda anauba mayon ama piduna makhoina Junction Gadoriba Tabak Singda Mateng Ohengani Haiki.
Akwai khallaba singja akwai training ma ton gane kari gi training ta holen haragadi paisa kamai si nani ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗꯨꯗꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ICMꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯏꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯣꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯦ
Malem Pumbada World Thinking Day Pangthoknabagum Manipurdasu Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides MSB SG na Sinduna Langol Game Village Zone 1 da Laiba State Training Center da Pangthokre Thoramatuka Mari Lenana Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides ki State Secretary T.S. Heramani na hai Diversity, Equity and Inclusion haiba thimda handaki World Thinking Day gi thoram asi pangthokpani Malem da lairiba nupi macha sing asida chathariba crime sing asi nupi macha singna mayok naba ngamnaba gi pandam da pangthokpani nupi macha singi phibam asi kharada oirabasu phagat hanba amadi nupi macha sing asida chap manaba miyeng yengba ngamhanana ba hotnabani haiki Thoramatuda Moirang Sigi MLA Amasung Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides ki President su oiriba P Sarat Chandra State Chief Commissioner T.S. Ibo Pisaksu Sarukyaki
Koigi Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides ki wone de koi 2007 dagi World Thinking Day si pangthokpa hawi World Association of Girls Association and Girl Guide na koigi prithibi da lairiba guide World Thinking Day si nupi macha singi da priority piraga pangthokpa thoramni masida koigi nupi macha singi phibam phagatnaba koigi like laisu skill development singba mokoigi intellectual gi idea me anju phagatnaba nupi macha sing chathariba crime sing masigi mayok naba ngamna bagi thim da koi maruena World Thinking Day si koi khunigi leptar pangthoi guide yauri ba nupi macha sing si koi tongan ba lebak chindagi sakchu manada background manada magi skill manada color manada tongan ba mayam sina punsil laga koi manada ba yansi punsil laga da amata oina koi gi prithvi da nupi macha singi pibam phagana ben da wex lamjing makhada kholaw si launa na bagi damakta koi kumsi chahi gi World Thinking Day gi thim asi angthok jabani
Matang swai se break amalauze break ki matung da and COVID-19 na maram oiraga laikhidaba mi gi masing lising ani ga chahum nifu manga su khiba gi pau amadi Manipur amasung malem ki tongan be ipau sing puduna lakchege impact news pumi eng ta duna laibiu mayam bamu khana taram na okcheri bulletin asigi makhata ba pau miyam da bizari China da and COVID-19 na naduna anoba miyoi chamaga supna mapan rom ngarang sikhibaga loinana hauzik faubada malem gi oina laina sina marum oiraga laikhidaba migi masing lising ani ga chahum nifu manga sukhre amadi anoba miyoi chahum ga marfutara taresu virus asinare haina confirm tawkhre National Health Commission of China na haibada ngarang laikhidraba miyoi singi manungda virus asigi haurafam oiriba Hubei province da gi miyoi chamaga supna tarukni hairi virus asigi matangda thizinabagi damakta World Health Organization gi kangbu ama China da chatuna yengsinkhre loinana laina asibu sandorakpa thingbaga loinana laina asibu phanabagi damakta World Health Organization amadi Chinese counterpart singna thabak paikhalagani hairi Prime Minister Narendra Modi nangasi International Judicial Conference IJC haudokre Conference asi Supreme Court Complex ki additional building da chathagadabani haudokpagi thoramda Prime Minister na hai Conference asina India khakta natana malem pumbada achauba ahongba ama puraklagani National Judicial Data Grid haudokpana court ki thabak thoram singda hena laithok halagani Conference haudokpagi thoramda Union Minister of Communications and IT Law and Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad Chief Justice of India yauna Supreme Court ki makok thongba luchingba sing Attorney General for India and Laibak asigi luchingba kayana sarukyakhi Numinini ki India khongchatta ningthokaba numita lakadoriba US President Donald Trump taramna oknabagi damakta Gujarat ki Ahmedabad city da sem saba pumnamak loikre thoramasida road show ama sinduna sahara sigi miyoi khudingmakki makhoi gi nat ki firol setuna jagoi isai amadi yoga na chingba utkadauri mahaki khongchat asina India amasung US ani gi mari fagatle takli amasung hanadaki su hauna lebak ani asi afaba mari thamduna lakli Hauzik sanabagi pauda Chathariba Hero I Likta ngasi Churchill Brothers amadi Mohan Bagan anina lamba taunaragani. Haiba match asing asi numidang wairam pung mga taba matamda Goa gi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium da sanagani. League asigi ngarang sanakhiba league match ta Neroka FC na Kerala Gokulambu Panjil ahum anida maithiba pikibani. League asigi mathangi match ta Hayeng Trau amadi East Bengal na Imphal gi Khuman Lampak Main Stadium da numidang wairam pung mga taba matamda sanagani. Hojik chathariba Indian Super League 2019-2020 ki ngasi sanagadaba league match ta Bengaluru FC amadi ATK anina lamba taunaragani. Hairiba match asi ngasi numidang pung 8 makhai taba matamda Bengaluru gi Sri Kantarba Stadium da sanagani. League asi ki ngarang sanakhiba league match ta Chennai FC na Mumbai City pu Panjil amasino da maithiba pikre. Mumbai gi Mumbai Football Arena da sanakhiba league match adu da Chennai FC gi amatangareba Panjil adu Lucian Goyana match ki marfu humdoi suba minute ta chankibani. Prime Minister na ngasi Khelo India University Games haudoklagani. Ngasi dagi March ama fauba Odisha na yumbu oiduna state asigi Bhubaneswar da chathagadaba games asi India government amadi Odisha government anina khusamna duna chathagadabani. Games asida leibak asigi University tara manga dagi lakpa athletes lising ahum ga changwa henbana saruk yagani. Games asida masana tara taret archery, athletics, boxing, fencing, judo, swimming, weightlifting, wrestling, badminton, basketball, football, hockey, table tennis, volleyball, rugby, amadi kabaddi na athoy ehen kabaddi da athoy ehen tanagani. Medical gi lamda thabak tauriba amadi tamliba mahiroi singna matam chana thabak taudrabadi medical gi lamdamda Chakhatpa ngamloi haina icham gi former president Nongthombam Rajendra na phongdokhre. Senapati district ki manung chanba Chinikonda laiba Saina Institute of Medical Science ki annual sports meet haudokpagi thauramda wafam asi phongdokhibani. Sports haudokpagi thauram aduda House 4 gi mahairoi singna March Past Sat khiloina na tongan tongan ba masana da athoi ehan tanari. Aroibada bulletin sigi headlines amuk hanna miyam thamjari. Manipur State Archives na sinduna Nipu Super Archives Week Celebration Art and Culture ke Minister L. Jayanta Kumar na Gandhi Memorial Hall da hudokre. Amasung India da lariba Medical Institute ki marakta RIMS makok thongba institute ama oina pagida magda research kaya tawbagi tangai fadaba lai haina RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santana phongdokre.